For TraderInsight.com, I'm Julie Manz. These are trade ideas for Friday, August 17th. All right, first let's look at the two ideas I gave you yesterday. TAP, T-A-P, Molson Coors Brewing. So we were looking at this from the long side. The market gapped up today, so I saw that this had also gapped up. But in our room, one of our traders pointed out that it was actually coming back down into the range we were looking to enter. And boy, did that do a beautiful move. So somewhere around here, 67.30, moved up, did pull back down to the pivot and kept going for most of the afternoon. You could have automated this trade with a trailing stop order. So if you're curious about how to do that, you can always join us in the room. We can talk about that. But this went ahead and went up for, gosh, let's see, just about 80, 90 cents. Hope you got a piece of that today. DKS was the second one we were looking at. Yesterday it had sort of this doji bar in the middle of the day. Today it actually did what you do with the doji bar and go either direction, but it went both directions. So it went to the long side straight out of the gate up to a pivot and then immediately turned around and came back down to a pivot. Later in the day, heading lower, but that I was looking at as more of a break even. But there was opportunity, depending which side you were looking at, if you had this up on your screen and were looking to get some trades off in DKS. So let's look what's on deck for tomorrow. Newmont Mining is on our plan for today. NEM, and look how beautifully it's set up for tomorrow. Did not trigger today, and look how great this looks for tomorrow. Closed in the bottom of its range, had a smaller range today. Let's see if it can't break through this area. It is holding pretty tightly to this 3150 level, so I would like to see it below that. And of course, I would love to see it pull back and head down below that in tomorrow's trading. We also had PAGS on our trading plan. This one actually gapped up today, and you can see it was an inside day for this stock. Gapped up and hit some resistance right here where there's a lot of tops and bottoms. So we'll see if tomorrow it doesn't want to take a dip, and at least if it opens on another inside bar, go down to Tuesday's lows. So those are two shorts. We did have PGR on our stocks to watch, more discretionary part of our trading plan today, and as you can see, it did gap up but pulled back and then went through our entry price quite nicely and then headed higher for most of the rest of the morning. So as you can see on the daily, it's really at highs. And I will be looking to see if it doesn't want to break higher, but perhaps it would actually start somewhere on an inside day and then trade higher would be a more comfortable way to look at PGR. Okay, have a great trading day tomorrow. It is Friday. Join us in our trading room. Julie at TraderInsight.com. Thanks.